I think I got a stitch.
Hey Sonny, what's up?
Kia ora, Lucy. Matariki is coming up and I want to show you what it's all about. I need your help.
So I'm invited.
Yes, you're invited.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I already have so many ideas.
Actually, we're inviting all of Aotearoa. Literally. Like you. You're invited.
Oh, thank you.
You're invited.
Oh, thank you.
You're invited.
Oh,
Korua, you two are invited too. Hey, you're invited. For some, celebrating Matariki is something new. But the truth is, we're already doing it. Remember, you're invited. Celebrating with your whānau, sharing kai, setting some goals, remembering someone you still miss. It's all Matariki. This is just a little nudge to do it your own way. Hey, kia ora, Korua. Hey, you're invited too. Okay, and you.